Hi, I'm Dan from HTPG. In this video, I will demonstrate our new A2L conversion kit for dual-rated, next-gen, all-temp unit coolers. For this demonstration, I'll be converting a standard electric defrost one-fan model. The installation process, however, for air-equipped models is similar. The kit includes the following: one relay panel assembly, one refrigerant detector with its electrical harness, associated mounting hardware, and A2L refrigerant class warning labels. Note that for dual-rated unit coolers of 5 or 6 fans, an additional separate kit will be shipped that contains a second refrigerant detector. For the purpose of this video, we will be showcasing a second refrigerant detector installation case. To successfully complete the installation process, you will need a 5/16 driver and cutting pliers. Begin by removing your door panels. Start by identifying the screws. These will need to be removed first. On all dual-rated unit coolers, you'll find a factory-installed wire harness. Both ends of this harness are found inside the unit cooler at the header and electrical compartments, and this is essential to connect your refrigerant detector to the unit's pre-existing wiring. Both refrigerant detector harnesses will plug directly into these connection points. Go ahead and install your refrigerant sensors on both the header and electrical compartment tube sheets. Notice the orientation of the harness connections. They should point toward the drain pan to prevent water seepage into the detector. On the exterior of your unit cooler, you'll find these mounting bolts, and within inside of the electrical compartment, you'll also find this mounting bolt. You are going to use this to install our relay panel to the unit. On the back of your relay panel, there's a foam pad. This serves an important purpose. It helps protect our unit cooler's tubing from being damaged during the relay panel's installation. Now we can install our relay panel to the unit cooler. Begin by finger tightening your screws to the exterior of the unit. Then draw your third screw to the mounting tab within the unit. Finish by installing the 2 screws to the exterior of the unit. Now it's time to make your wire connections. Before we begin, if your unit cooler has a jumper installed between terminals T and 38, make sure to remove this connection before beginning any work. All the necessary connections are shown right here on the included wire diagram. Make sure to reference this, along with the existing wiring diagram included with your unit cooler as you go. We're reaching the end now of our installation process. Before we put back on our access doors, make sure to remove your Schrader valve cap on your header and install your A2L warning tag along with a red cap included with the kit. I'm placing the wiring diagram included with your kit on the electrical door now. With the diagram in place, let's reinstall the doors. Secure them properly to ensure everything is sealed and aligned. The last step is adding our A2L safety stickers to the rear exterior of the unit. And now that these are in place, we're ready to install our unit. That's it. The conversion is complete. We've installed the components, made our connections, and added all the required safety markings. This unit is ready for service.